Alright guys, so this is just gonna be a random video about unboxing Call of Duty Ghost. I mean, I know it's not the best Call of Duty, but I don't really see a lot of unboxing about this game. So yeah, I mean, a changed world, redefined multiplayer, and all new squad mode, okay? So we can see clearly we got like screenshots of like you in space, underwater sequences, okay? We got some like I think that's like multiplayer, but yeah, it says right here, the best-selling first-person action franchise of all time. Oh, sorry about that. I don't know why I can't talk. But yeah, I just got it from Amazon, so yeah, plastic is coming off. I mean, I'm sorry. Like I said, this is like the ghettoest unboxing. Get that out of the way. All right, all in one take too. So check it out. I've never played this game before, so yeah, it's gonna be my first time. I know a lot of people don't like it, but hey, you know what? Maybe I like it. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna just turn it around. Too lazy to spin the disc. Okay, so that's basically it. I mean, I thought there would be like some cover art inside, but I guess not. I guess it's just this and that. Let's see. We got some 49 gigs. That's okay, I guess. It's a lot less than video games these days. Okay, so rated M, obviously. So yeah, guys, that is it. It's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like.